I just want to say this is why you don't just cut all your garden stuff down. These little birds are flitting in and out of all things, my sage. He's digging in there. They've knocked all the snow off down there. Oop. But anyway, there's grass that grew up in there, and I left the seeds, and they're in there, look at poking around, finding some stuff to eat. Throwing snow around. So sweet. But getting some seeds. This is why you need to leave a few weeds around. Plus they look kind of pretty for fall decoration. But it snowed last night and we got some wet heavy snow that's clinging to everything. The birds are just, these little birds are just really enjoying the seeds that they can find on these pieces of grass that I left growing in there. How fun is that? I think it's fun when they grab a hold of them and then they just kind of float down because it's not strong enough to hold their, yeah, like that. There's a lot of these little birds in the backyard. And I want to say, I'm not really sure what they are. Are they juncos? That's what comes to mind. They're a big flock. They're not just on this garden, this bed with the grass. They're over here on this raised bed too. And this bed had, what did I have on there? Cucumbers last year. And then they like it underneath where there's no snow. Finding some seeds. Had to take down the bird bath. There we are, look at it. I'm having all kinds of fun watching these little fellows flit around through my weeds. Well, that one right exactly in the center is my sage plant. But I'm sure there's all kinds of weeds growing in the middle of. We get some seeds out of there. Oh, and then there's this little fella down here. Maybe on the cement. Where there's no snow. Look at all those little footprints in the snow. What a glorious day. Everybody have a blessed day. And enjoy the birds. Bye-bye.